Hello students, today we are looking at operating with standard form numbers. By the end of this video, you should feel confident using the correct methods to multiply, divide, subtract and add standard form numbers together. Firstly, we're going to be looking at multiplying standard form numbers. To multiply, you have to multiply the front numbers and the powers separately. When multiplying indices, you simply add the powers together. So let's have a look at this. So our front numbers are 2 and 3, so we have to multiply them together. So 2 times 3 makes 6. And then now we're left with 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 7. All we do is simply add the powers together. So we put times 10 and the powers together. So the powers here is 3 and 7, so 3 plus 7 is 10. So our final answer is 6 times 10 to the power of 10. Now division follows the exact same method as multiplication, except from you divide the front numbers and the powers separately instead of multiplying. So it's the exact same method, and we need to remember that when you divide powers, you simply subtract the numbers which are here, so the powers. So the first step is to divide the front two numbers together. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, times, because we know it's always going to be times 10, and then 8 minus 5 is 3. So we're left with 2 times 10 to the power 3, and that is our answer. Last but not least, we're looking at addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction both follow the same rules as each other. The only difference is you either subtract both of the different numbers or add depending on the operator. The rest of the method is the same. So the first thing we have to make sure is that both of our numbers are to the same power. Now we can see here immediately that these numbers are not to the same power. This one's to the power of 9 and this one's to the power of 10. So a conversion is going to have to be done here. If you're not confident on standard form, you might find it difficult to convert between different powers. So one method is to write out the number we have. So here I want to get this to the power of 10. So this is a method to get 5 times 10 to the power of 9 to a power of 10. So first you write out the number, so it's 5, and the dot is here, and we write out lots of zeros. Because it's to the power of 9, there might be quite a few zeros that has to go through. And then we have to shift the dot 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the dot would go here. So if we write that number out again, 5, so here, now this is our number. So to get to the power of 10, we have to go back 10 now instead of 9. So I already know that it's going to go back one further, so I'm going to put a 0 here just so we can. So we're going to go back 10 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now our decimal has to go here. So now, because we've gone back 10 times, that means it's times 10 to the power of 10, and we've got to imagine that the decimal's there, so it would be 0.5. So we've got 0.5 times 10 to the power of 10, add 2 times 10 to the power of 10. Now once the powers are the same, all you need to do is either add or subtract the front numbers. Now because this is add, we have to add the numbers together. So 2 plus 0.5 is 2.5. And then we just leave the times 10 to the power of 10 as it is, and that is our final answer. For more videos, please visit www.gcsemathresources.co.uk.